Hey guys, Kevin here. You're with the Modern Creatures and welcome to another video. After releasing the entry-level Narzo 30A at 6,000 pesos, Realme is now going for the mid-range segment with its newest offering, the Realme 8 Pro. Now from the name itself, it's obviously the successor to last year's 7 Pro, and we have it right here. So while we prepare the full review, let's first unbox this and check out what's included in the package. But again, if you still haven't, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel because we upload videos at least once a week on tech and everyday lifestyle. Okay, so here's the box, and let's now just quickly remove the plastic wrapping so we can fully see the box. So okay, here we go. It's the usual Realme box with its bright yellow design, bright yellow box. We have the key specs right here. So let's quickly go through the key features of the phone. It has a 108 megapixel ultra quad camera, super slim and light design, a Snapdragon 720G processor, 50 watt super DartCharge, 6.4 super AMOLED full screen, 4,500 milliamp battery, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and 128 gigabytes of storage. We have the infinite blue color, so let's now check that out. I can't wait to see that. Lift the lid. And of course, we have the familiar greeting by the company. So it says, "Hey, welcome to Realme family." And we remove this to reveal this small box right here. Let's embrace a new journey. So at first, it reveals the SIM ejector tool right there. And when you open this, it shows you the case, the flexible silicone case, and quick guide as well as your information guide. Usual stuff you'll see from a Realme package. Next, we see the phone itself, and there's a small pull tab right here. Okay, there we go. Let's check it out later, and let's go through the accessories first. So first thing you'll see is the Super Dart wall charger. It supports 50 watts, and we have the USB-C cable. It's nice that we're already done with the micro USB face that we have been seeing before, even on mid-range phones. So now we have a USB-C, so that's faster data transferring and overall faster charging. That's it for the box. Going to the phone itself, you kind of see the infinite blue color, but let's remove this now. Okay, so it has this gradient finish that we see here. Depending on how the light shines upon it, it kind of changes color, and it's very textured also. And there's this huge Dare to Leap print right here. It's very noticeable. There's no subtlety to it. And you have this small Realme logo up top as well. I really like it. You have this large camera module right here with the 4 camera setup and this LED flash right there. If you look closely, there's a 108 megapixel quad camera print lasered into it, so that's kind of a nice touch. In terms of button placements, you have the power button right here on the right side, right under the volume rocker up top. We have the SIM tray on the left side, upper left side, and the USB-C port, speaker grill, as well as the 3.5mm jack. So that's nice. It's a nice touch. I like that we have this option for 3.5mm audio jack. It has a very slim design and a lightweight build to it. It actually fits the hand really well, and even the buttons, they're easy to press. It should have a bit of battery, so let's try turning it on for now. Running over its key features, it has Super AMOLED display, so it should provide you vibrant colors, and that's what we see right now so far. It really has vibrant colors and supposedly deep blacks as well. Another one is its Super DartCharge. It should give you faster speeds, faster charging time. And other features for the 8 Pro comes through its quad camera setup. It boasts a 108 megapixel camera that should supposedly be able to capture really decent photos and really detailed photos. Plus, it also offers different shooting modes for videos, for photos. For videos, some are the tilt shift time lapse, I think, that should let you produce like capturing toys, but like you can shoot time lapse with it, so that should be really cool. You can shoot the Milky Way using some of the built-in features right here from the phone itself. We have different effects here, the usual cyberpunk, flamingo, and modern gold. So you have Pro Nightscape on, so meaning you have more control over your camera settings for shooting at night. Running through its camera features, we have dual view video that shows both the front end camera, rear camera at the same time. And running under the hood is the Snapdragon 720G processor, which is a mid-range CPU specifically made for gaming. And with it, you'll be able to play your usual games like Mobile Legends, Call of Duty, Asphalt 9. They should be able to work on this phone with no problems. And another thing is charging the battery. So this comes with a 4,500 milliamp hour battery with fast charging feature, with its super DartCharge feature, which uses its 50-watt power brick to charge the phone quite faster than your ordinary power bricks. And apart from that, it also comes in this really light design and thin design, so it really sits on the hand nicely and it doesn't strain the hand easily, so that's a good thing for those with small hands. So real quick, let's take a closer look at its design, its ports, its buttons, and especially its back panel to see what more it has to offer. And that was our Realme 8 Pro unboxing and hands-on. As always, visit our website and follow us on our social media pages for more news, features, and reviews. Once again, that's it for me. I'm Kevin. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.